excuse me, FYP, which one of you hating ass, bad breath, no car, low rent, box TV, no cable, scratch DVD player, house arrest, sink bathing, black and mild, smoking tuna pussy, deadbeat, county rat, plasma center going, sterling silver wearing, shitty mark draws, miserable ass track, phone carrying, corner store fit, motherfucking no control with they kids, Reggie smoking, motherfucking mama couch sleeping, dishwashing liquid for bubbles, EBT card in review, motherfucking nail biting, no license, Reebok classic wearing, dusty single cigarette buying ass bitches. Went and reported my motherfucking account because you got me banned.